positive start and a healthy start coming in for the benchmark indices, with the advanced decline ratio very much in the favor of the gainers as we speak. Let's take a look at those winners or the top picks coming in from our experts for today. Let's take a look at what ITC is doing in trade today, where that sort of a counter is been settling in. Remember, the last 2 to 3 years has been very great for that particular counter, and ITC for you is seeing a very flat start. If you look at the list of gainers, then BPCL is the one that's ruling the charts with about 1.5% uptick coming in at this point in time. Let's take a look at IOC and HPCL if they are also following suit, and if the OMC as a pack is actually seeing a healthy move. No, that's not the case coming in for the OMCs as we speak. On the losing end of the market, not much trades coming in, but you have TCS that is right now taking the top spot as a top loser in trade, just 0.3% downtick coming for TCS. You have HDFC Life that's also under pressure in trade today, Snehi, but there are a lot of stocks that are going to be in focus on back of news flow, and one point in case has to be Gland Pharma.
10 observations coming in from the French agency. Let's pull up a Gland Pharma and see what that stock is doing in trade. A 2% cut coming in. However, a couple of more newsmakers to watch out for. Ultratech Cement will be in focus. They've completed the acquisition of that additional 32% stake in India Cement. Ultratech Cement not doing much, currently flat, 0.4% lower. BPCL has emerged as the lowest bidder for NTPC's solar power project worth 750 odd crores rupees. BPCL doing pretty well, 1% uptick coming in. Interglobe Aviation on the back of their interim solutions plan that they plan on solving for their fleet. Interglobe Aviation rather flat, not doing much. Nalco, Surya Roshni, all of these stocks are going to be in focus. Let's pull up an Ola Electric and see what that stock is up to, because they have added 3,200 new stores yesterday in a single day. Rollout coming in. Ola Electric doing very well in today's trade, 5.5% higher and close to reaching that 100 mark on Ola Electric. So that's going to be a stock to watch out for in today's trade. When you take a look at what's been happening sectorally, Nifty Bank seems to be holding well. Canada Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. So largely a mix coming in from PSUs and private banks, both aiding Nifty today. Nifty Bank today rather. Metals seem to have found their footing once again. A 0.2% uptick coming in on Nifty Metal as well. Nalco is the one that is doing pretty well in today's trading session. A 1% uptick coming in on Nalco. They've also signed a mining lease deed agreement for the amalgamated Utkal D. So that is also going to be looking good on the back of that coal production capacity expansion coming in for Nalco. That stock holding up with gains of more than 0.5%. FMCG rather flat, not doing much. Like Cheryl mentioned, ITC looking flat. You have UBL, Nestle not doing all that much, but IT seems to be a space that is that's a buzz today. HCL Tech, Wipro, Infosys all managing to hold on to gains. What's surprisingly not doing well today is Nifty Realty. That's the only sector that seems to be in the red right now, because you have a roughly 0.2% cut coming in on Nifty Realty. Remember, it has been an outperformer when it comes to the markets over the last couple of weeks, but right now you have the likes of Phoenix, Lodha, Prestige, Raymond that are reeling under slight bit of pressure coming in on the opening trades. That's what the market is settling in to look at right now. Cheryl, couple of brokerages also to look forward to. Let's pull up a Raymond Lifestyle and see what that counter is doing, because very positive note coming in from Motilal Oswal on that counter. You have Raymond Lifestyle that's up roughly 2%, so looking good. Let's take a look at what Oberoi Realty is doing. Very bullish note coming in from Elara. Once again, that series of bullish notes continues for Oberoi Realty, but not doing all that much despite the price target given when it comes to Oberoi Realty. So roughly this is what the market seems to be settling at, Cheryl, right now. Advance declined steeply in the favor of the advances. Nifty above that 23,800 mark, looking good for now, Cheryl.
Absolutely, Snehi, looking good for now. 0.5% uptick is what the benchmark indices have registered at this point in time, and given the fact that it's looking like a healthy open for our markets. Kunal, let me get your first trades for our viewers then.
Yeah, there'll be a buy on Page Industries. That stock is looking very attractive on the charts. It's confirmed breakouts on the weekly as well as on the monthly time frame, crossing levels of 45, 47,000 on the short-term basis. So that's the stock which will be bullish on.
Right, so that's the first trade coming in from Kunal. Naresh, over to you. What's your first trade for our viewers today?
So continue like ITC, which is setting up for a breakout move.
All right, so ITC and Page Industries are the first trades coming in from our experts today. Thank you so much for that, Kunal and Naresh. We'll connect base with you towards the latter half of the show.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.